Is the volume up?
There's a battery in it.
Yeah, just press the tuner button. See, oh, there you go, yeah. Because if you look there, that's that pickup.
Is there a scanner one?
No, that's the magnetic one, I think, yeah? There, look.
Yeah.
So that'll be...
Blend.
Yeah, just... Oh, they're both working, aren't they?
Yeah.
I put some switch cleaner in it the other day. Okay, they both work. Yeah. Alright, that'll do.
I know what's going on, I know you're with me. Here we are. Both of us lonely. Both of us lonely. It is, it's an E.
Yeah. I think you might be right there. You know what that means, don't you? We could probably do that next Monday.
What's that? Yes, we'll do that one.
What's it called again?
We got tonight.
We've got tonight.
Yeah.
Down, down, down. Don't worry about tomorrow.
How you plan on with me? How you plan with me? Still here we are. Still here we are.
Back to E.
Here we are.
C. Back to E.
Here we are.
I thought it was A to C, then back to E. You had it earlier.
Yeah. Still here we are.
E, yeah.
We got tonight.
Something like that, yeah.
Yeah, something like that.
Okay, jolly good.
Everything's working.
I'm going to start using this at open mics because I've had it for about 2 years. I've never used it. It's quite a nice guitar, actually, this.
Eh?
It's quite a nice guitar. It's a Epiphone Master Built.
Is it?
Yeah. I know you don't give a shit.
I don't care.
But like, I'm just telling you.
I do care, but not a lot.
Yeah, I know. By the way, I like your, just for everybody who's listening, I was having a piddle in Doug's downstairs toilet. He was on the phone to somebody and he said, I've got some very bad news for you. He said, Carl's here. And I can't deny that did make me laugh. You know, you might not know this, but I actually enjoy your insults. I take them as a sign of affection, which I think that's what they are. But that made me laugh.
Good.
So keep the insults coming, please.
Well, I always do.
And I promise I'll be gone at 3. How about that?
That's even better.
Yeah. Have you finished that yet, you lazy bastard?
Eh?
You haven't finished that yet? It was a week when I last came.
No, it wasn't.
It was.
Oh, this was, yeah. I'd stopped doing anything to it. I've been busy with other things.
Disgraceful.
I've done that.
Oh, hey,
That's ready.
Steve's?
Yeah, it loves it. Plays lovely. Even with his old strings on. He wanted new strings as well.
You tight sod. I'd have brought a set up. Make up for you.
His strings were fine.
So I'm not as embarrassed for you.
I'm not
as you
embarrassed
are.
at all. His strings were fine and it's just for setting up with anyway. Once it's set up, then he can put some what's-her-name on it.
Jesus Christ, have you got like a bloody hot rails on the neck on that?
Yeah. These work great on these guitars, on these mandolins. They're really good. Lots of output.
Are you going to give her like a fuzz pedal to go with it?
I might put a mini switch on so you can switch a coil off.
Oh God. You like your switches, your micro switches you do, don't you?
Yeah.
Bang one on then.
Yeah, I'm just doing this first. I won't get this bridge sorted out. Because she wants it to be gold.
Gold, always believing in someone.
Yeah, that's the one. Oh,
Hey,
watch out.
Excuse me, this camera's expensive.
Is
Mind
it?
you ahead.
Okay.
Where are you going now, Doug?
I'm just going there and then I'm going on to that thing.
Oh yeah.
I just want to take that edge off there. It's a bit out of the sync. That's better. It was not pleasing me.
What about the top there? Is that
I'm
level?
going to do... No, it isn't. I'm going to do that now.
Oh, I noticed that.
I'm going to file it.
No? Can't you just use that machine?
No.
Why not?
Because I can't hold it.
Oh.
Gets really
Oh yeah, I
hot.
see what you mean, yeah.
Look, it's getting hot now.
Yeah, you're going to end up in hospital again, aren't you, with a severed hand again.
That's right, yeah, it'll shoot out my hand, rip my fingers to bits.
Yeah.
I'm only just getting my fingers working again.
Well.
I can shake hands with people without it hurting me now.
Well, like who? I don't know anybody who wants to shake you out.
Everybody.
Only if you say you're leaving. I'm going to go now. Okay, thank you, Doug. Nice to meet you. And then they all say,
Everybody wants to shake my hand.
thank God he's gone.
Because while they're busy shaking my hand, they don't have to talk to you. I say talk to you, I mean they have to listen to you because you never fucking stop talking.
Neurodivergence, Doug, I can't help it. Don't forget my family motto, quantity over quality.
I know, I thought it was I'm a twat.
So that as well. The other family motto is when going gets tough, quit. I like that one.
Going gets tough, run. Like,
Yeah, no, don't just give up. When things get tough, give up.
them happy pills are bloody working, aren't they, on you?
No, I haven't had them yet. I'm going another direction, I've told you. I'll be flying like a bird. Well, I'll be flying like a bird and happy as Larry in about a week.
I don't know why Larry's so happy anyway.
Yeah. I don't know who he is, but he's got to be the most happy guy in the world because
Yeah.
everybody wants to be him. Don't they? You get that? Okay, that's like a workout for you, isn't it?
I know,
Finally?
I'm working here, I'm knackered
Good job
already.
you don't go jogging or cycling.
I used to work in metal work when I was at school, and I could keep going all bloody day doing all this on steel. Now I can't do it, I file a bit of aluminium without deserting my arms.
Oh well, it's still exercise.
Hey?
It's better than sitting in a chair all day doing nothing.
I don't
Which is
sit
what you
in
do
my
for
chair
like
all
23
day.
hours a day.
Cheeky sod.
Well, what have you just been doing for the last hour?
I've been watching
Countdown.
television, Countdown, yes.
Are you going to? So you get a claim now that Countdown is like an exercise in mental stimulation for
That's right.
English and maths now, aren't you?
Exactly.
But you just seem to be ogling the women that present the show. So it's just perverted. It's just
women?
It's just a perversion.
You're not quite right, are you? Let's be honest.
It's called humour. You
Is
know,
it?
I told you before. I've realised. I've been told my brain's fucking phenomenal. It's just been pointed in the wrong direction up until now. And like I said, I'm born again. I'm born again. Doug, have you noticed how happy I am now?
Yeah, it won't last.
No, probably won't.
I don't know why she wants that gold, because it's quite nice when it polishes up. It comes right up as completely silver.
How are you going to? Are you going to spray gold or? Are you going
No, I'm going to brush paint it gold. I might do, I don't know. I've got some lovely gold paint.
Can't you do something like where you pass a current through it and like use gold?
Well, yes, I could do all that if I'd got all the facilities for doing
Oh,
all
you
that.
haven't? Okay.
No, I haven't.
Can't you knock something up?
I've
to do
seen
it?
that bloke on the TV who's now in Dubai, and he's making a lot of money, gold plating everything. He got this bloody pen thing he was doing it with. Gold plating cars and all sorts.
You know what? That doesn't sound tacky at all, does it?
It's fabulous in Dubai.
It's shit. I've been there. I went there years ago when it was half decent. Now it's just the tackiest dump on the planet. You go through there, there's a Ferraris hanging off the ceiling. Everybody's got these shit watches on. What is it about rich people? The more money they get, everything they buy is shitter. It's like, you know, a nice little £1,000 watch. Looks far classier than some £100,000
The
crap.
Rolexes.
You know, what have I got?
Yeah, posh watches.
No, I've got something.
Seiko.
No, I've got I can't remember. I've got a
Mental
couple
disturbance.
I've got a couple of decent watches, but like the most expensive one didn't only cost £1,000. But like these expensive watches and things that rich people buy, they look tacky as fuck. It's like the more money you got, the fucking more ridiculous you look. Look at the clothes the rich women wear. They look like fucking idiots. They should join circuses. They look worse than clowns. Anyway, that's just my opinion, of course.
Yeah. But they're happy, aren't they?
I suppose we better apologise to anybody who's watching from Dubai who's wearing a £100,000 watch and dressed like a clown. Are you going to apologise to them, Doug?
I'm not apologising to anybody.
Well,
I'm not doing anything wrong. It's you that's gobbing off.
Yeah, but this is our shared channel. You're endorsing everything I say. Legally.
There's nothing I can do with what comes out of your mouth.
If we get sued, you're going to have to pay the fine. I haven't got any money. You know that.
You've had plenty of money.
I've had plenty of money, yeah.
Yes, so what have you done with it all?
Spent it.
You
invested
certainly
it.
haven't wasted it on lovely women, have you?
I've
You've
been-
only had one lovely woman,
I've
and you've failed with that one.
How do you know I've only had one? Well, that's not true. I've had plenty of lovely women in my life.
Have you now?
Yeah. Yeah, but yeah, you're right. Everyone's failed.
You're a failure.
It's not to be ashamed of. Are you happily married, Doug?
No.
Let me ask you something. You know the most recent girlfriends you've had?
Yeah?
Answer me, truth, is it yes or no? Have they all left you?
They've all run away, yeah.
There you go.
Run away screaming.
So, basically you've had double my failure.
Yeah, I am. You're quite right.
Yeah.
That's the trouble with men. They don't know when they're onto a good thing. Because the woman hasn't told them they are yet.
I think it's better to be happy with who and what you are first before you start engaging in other things.
This has got a coating on it, you see. Can you see it?
Yeah. You're going at an angle, yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
You could probably do that on the machine because you could hold it, couldn't you?
Yeah, could hold that.
I suggest you abandon that technique and bang
It's
it on
working.
that one.
That technique's working.
Yeah, but you haven't got that bit off, have you?
I haven't done it all through yet.
All right, calm down.
You've got an
answer for everything, haven't you? Oh yeah, lovely, lovely.
Like I say, the last time I made one of these, she's insisting that it's gold.
Yeah.
Now, I made it out of this stuff and I polished it. I remember doing that. I can't remember gold in it.
No, I don't think you did.
I don't think I did either, but she says it's gold.
Yeah, but don't forget she's got gold hardware up there.
So, yeah, so...
I'd just do it. I mean, it's going to look terrible if you leave it that colour. I'd just do it gold, Doug.
Well, I'm doing gold knobs.
Well, there you go. And don't forget also, the customer's always right. I know
Don't be
I know you
ridiculous.
don't agree with that.
Where'd you go and come out with that kind of rubbish?
Why don't you just do
The
what people want?
customer's never right.
Just do what people want instead of fucking about with your own ego, doing what you want. No wonder you piss everybody off.
I don't piss everybody off.
I know, I made that
Most
up.
people.
I made that up. Shall I do some research onto how many people you've annoyed in the last year?
Oh, everybody.
I'll do a spreadsheet for you.
Yeah, okay. That's a good idea.
Do.
So, right, now I think that's about the right height. I think.
Is
That's
it?
maybe
If you don't mind me
24.
saying, is it too long? Because surely it's not
I
going to be.
want plenty. Don't scratch
Yeah,
it.
I'm
Brenda.
not scratching it. It's not going to be that much movement, is there?
No,
You
it's.
make it a lot shorter, much smaller.
I might do,
Yeah, I would if I was you.
but will you just not mess, please?
I'm not messing. I'm just.
Right, just pass me the 24-inch ruler. It's on the bottom shelf of the lots of rulers there.
Is that the biggest one?
24 inches, 2/4.
Oh yeah. There you go.
That's it. There you go.
Oh yeah, I see what you're doing. Yeah.
So 17 inches is there. That's the scale length.
Yeah.
Okay. About there. Oh, I got it on.
So you
That's too high. That's too high. Look. Can you see?
You can't see it.
No, you're looking here.
Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah. Oh, is this a guitar thing?
Eh?
Is this a guitar ruler thing?
No.
Well.
No, it's just a
Oh,
ruler.
okay. Oh, fair enough.
It's just. But that's roughly the scale length there.
Yeah.
But that's slightly too high. The action. So we need to make this thinner.
Yeah.
We're going to make this thinner
Yeah.
and that smaller. We need to have some adjustment so it's upsy downsy.
Can't you make it so that it can be adjusted? Put some like.
Yeah, this is adjustable. This is going to go up or down
Oh yeah, of
and
course.
forwardy
Yeah.
backy.
Yeah. No, you're right. Yeah.
Okay, so I've already done all that.
No,
Everything's it's all threaded.
Yes, it's flexibility in that. Yeah, I get you. Yeah.
I've done all that.
Very good.
So it's down the upsy now. Yes, I know. What did I just say to you when we were in the house?
Get out of my house.
Yes, apart from that, I just said to you that
Yes.
I've got slight problems.
Oh,
with
yeah.
The lacquer hasn't
I
stuck
thought you
to
meant
the
it's just a
plastic.
lacquer. Oh yeah, I thought that was the okay.
Yeah.
So how are you going to make that thinner then? You're just going to sand it down, this thing,
Yeah. And I will make it slightly shorter because it is too big.
a little bit, yeah.
So
Just,
it'll probably go to. I'll
aesthetically.
probably make it just about there. So I'll take about that much off. Because we don't need too much forwardy backy.
You're absolutely right, yeah.
Because it's pretty much stable where it is. So I'll probably take that much off.
That's what many people go wrong with the forwardy backety.
Yeah.
What tool are you going to use to cut that down then?
A bandsaw. I've got a bandsaw that does it.
Come on then, let's band away.
Yeah.
Is this the one that was fire damaged? Or the other one?
Yeah, no, there were a lot of stuff was fire damaged. A lot of stuff was replaced. That was replaced. That was replaced.
Oh, this is more a metal one, isn't it?
This is a
Got
metal,
a metal blade,
cutter,
yeah.
good, isn't it?
Very good. What do you want to do with this waste?
Nothing.
Just leave it there?
Yeah, I'll leave it there, man. It might come in useful for something one day.
Well, you file it a waste. No
It's
pun
making
intended.
this thinner is going to be a problem. I can't saw that out thin.
Why don't you hold the perpendicular bit with a pair of pliers and just bang it on that sanding machine? So you're not ripping your arm
I'm
off.
going to do this edge first.
Yeah.
That's very hot now.
Yeah. I suppose aluminium conducts electricity quite.
Very good. Very good conductor of
well, isn't it?
electricity.
Yeah, so if you hold something like that, Jesus, this
It's hot, isn't it?
Get some clamp on that and bang it on.
Yeah.
There you go, job done.
Okay. I've done that edge though, roughly, so that's hardly matters. It's getting the bottom done, and you can't hold that because it's got to go like that.
Yeah. Well, you could push it on though, couldn't you, if you put it there?
Yes, I can use pushers,
Yeah.
which is what I'm going to do. I'll use a big plank of wood.
A pushing tool.
Or a pushing tool.
Right, what time is it now, Doug? Is it
Oh, no idea.
Carl leaving the workshop time?
Is it toe? Yes.
Yeah, I think it is.
Yeah, what a good idea.
Well,
Have you
I'm
gone yet?
going to go. Thanks for just looking at confirming that my pickups are working.
Yeah.
I might start using this at the open mics because it's a nice guitar,
It is.
and but I probably need to have a little pedal board with a G7 like I'm going to put a delay on it and a bit of chorus like Dave. You know how Dave gets his raz? He's got all these effects on the pedal board to make
Yeah.
him sound good. Hang on one sec. Are you going? No. Okay. I'm going to do that just to annoy him,
Okay.
and then he'll love that. But I'm going to
He'll
start using
turn
that.
you down because he did me last night.
He turns me off all the time.
Turns
Drives
you
me nuts.
down.
Right then, Doug, shall we say goodbye?
Yeah. See you in a bit.
Let's have a zoom into a dog's face very quickly, and I don't mean you. Beast!
Oi,
Beast! Beast!
Winnie.
Beast!
He's a, oh.